Right, just got a little update on the Sierra Cosworth. Don't know if you can see there, but that's the rust all cut away. It was basically on the outer skin. First of all, I cut the rust away and kept it fairly small, which removed all the rust from the top layer. But basically, the rust had creeped in to the inner section, so I've had to keep cutting away until I found completely clean metal. I've belt sanded all the rust away, and I've rust treated it twice now. You can just see it's just crept in. You can just see the gap between the inner strengthener and the outer piece, which makes up the inner wing. I don't know if you can see down here, but you can see up in there that all of the rust is removed, so there's not a trace of it now. So yeah, I've then formed a template out of a trusty Shreddies box, my favourite, either that or Crunchy Nut. So yeah, what I actually done as well, I put the card up to the top of the strut top and followed that shape, which then formed the template. I then put a little split in there, which then creates the curved profile. All of these little black marks are where the spot welds should have been originally. I will, once I've transferred it to metal, which I've started doing, I will reinstate that drain hole. Yeah, just cut that to shape. I've then got to put a fold in there, and then yeah, that'll make up the repair for that. But yeah, just wanted to show you the lengths I've gone to remove all the rust. I basically had to go in here with a small Dremel. Let me just show you that. Yeah, the only tool that would go in there is a small Dremel with a very small cutting disc. Yeah, simply nothing else would go in there, and just carefully cut it away until I got to clean metal. Yeah, just trying to keep it as original as looking as possible, and yeah, a long-lasting repair. Yeah, hope you like the progress. Basically, transferred my cardboard template onto a piece of metal, and then I've got to put a fold in it. Not got a fancy folder, just a vise, so I'm just going to video me mucking around with this plate, to be honest. If you use a piece of wood to tap it over, and then just move it along the vise so it keeps it. I want the radius to be quite soft, so I'm going to knock it over once and then have a look at it against the car. Just straighten up that back edge a little bit. Looks like that back edge is a little bit. I do actually need a radius in there, so yeah, I don't think I need to worry too much. I think we're going to have a look, see how that fits. Okay. There we go. That's not bad for a first fold. There is a bit of a curve in it that way and that way, so I'm going to put a split in there so I can break the back of the plate. Yeah, and then just tinker with it from then on.
When they're freed from prison.
Road.